Today Friday, the Holy Jummah Mubarak. Each and another going to mosque and call to prayer to Faroz, and the leader discussion the different kind things and all leaves Dondo Kulaho from society, village, country and global. After then, society, village, country, global, little clean. And the last supposition, the long before before government, the prophet and Sahaba, then they running society, the village, country, after then same country like this. So, so let's come in, and no ever, no never, thiefer, robber, and anything quarrel position. Then all stays, all space is simple and neatly clean.